Welcome back to Auto Vibe, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of high-performance machines. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated superbikes of the year, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. This bike has a legacy of dominating both the streets and the track, and the latest model is no exception. Let's break down its aggressive styling, its blistering performance, and even take a quick look at the tech-packed cockpit. Right off the bat, the ZX-10R commands attention with its sharp, race-inspired design. Kawasaki has refined the aerodynamics for 2026, giving it an even more aggressive front fairing with integrated winglets that improve downforce at high speeds. The LED headlights are sharper than before, seamlessly blending into the front cowl for a stealthy, futuristic look. The bodywork is sculpted for both form and function, channeling airflow efficiently to enhance cooling and stability. The signature ram air intake still sits prominently between the headlights, feeding the beast within. Moving to the side, the fairings are slimmer, with better heat dissipation, making long rides and track days more comfortable. The trellis subframe remains lightweight yet sturdy, optimizing weight distribution. Kawasaki offers multiple color schemes, but the KRT Kawasaki Racing Team Edition, with its classic green and black livery, remains a fan favorite. The rear section is sharp and minimalistic, with a new LED taillight design that complements the bike's aggressive stance. Even the exhaust has been redesigned for better flow and a throatier sound. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where the ZX-10R truly shines. Powering this beast is a refined 998cc inline-4 engine, pushing out around 210 horsepower with the help of its ram air system. Kawasaki has worked on improving mid-range torque, making the power delivery even smoother yet brutally effective. This bike is a missile on the straights and a scalpel in the corners. The new 6-speed transmission comes equipped with a quicker, more responsive quick shifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts. Kawasaki's electronic rider aids are more advanced than ever, with multiple riding modes, traction control, launch control, and a refined cornering ABS system. The Öhlins electronic steering damper and Showa balance-free forks up front ensure rock-solid stability at high speeds, while the Brembo braking system delivers razor-sharp stopping power. The lightweight aluminium chassis keeps the bike nimble, and with improved aerodynamics, it feels planted even when pushing past triple-digit speeds. On the track, it's an absolute weapon, offering precise handling and brutal acceleration that makes it one of the best liter-class bikes out there. Inside the cockpit, Kawasaki has stepped up the game with a new full-color TFT display. It's Bluetooth-enabled, allowing riders to connect their phones for navigation, ride data, and notifications. The layout is clean, with easy-to-read information, including a shift indicator, lap timer, and lean angle display. The clip-on handlebars are slightly tweaked for better ergonomics, making it comfortable for aggressive riding without being overly punishing on longer rides. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R continues to be a dominant force, blending cutting-edge technology with raw power. Whether you're a track junkie or a street rider looking for adrenaline, this bike delivers. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Vibe for more high-performance reviews.